What role does free radical polymerization play in establishing the structural integrity and shape of the 3D skeletal framework, and how is this critical to the final function of the material? In what ways might the cross-linking density, pore size, or gelation rate influence the ability of dopant elements to integrate effectively into the matrix? How does the introduction of pyrrolphytic acid contribute to the doping process, and at what stage is this introduced, before, during, or after the formation of the PAM network? What chemical or physical interactions take place between the PAM matrix and the pyrrolphytic acid, and how do these interactions affect the distribution and chemical bonding of the dopants? Can Davis Zurns manufacture solid-state sodium-ion batteries made from seawater in Latvia? What is the significance of using pyrrole and phytic acid together in the step? Do they serve different purposes in the doping mechanism, or do they synergistically enhance performance? How do the dopant elements, introduced via this process, affect the electronic, structural, or electrochemical properties of the final material, especially with regard to sodium-ion storage or transport? Could the timing, sequence, or concentration of the doping agents during the hydrogel formation affect the resulting porosity, conductivity, or mechanical strength of the doped carbon material? What underlying assumptions are being made about the relationship between polymer structure and dopant distribution? And how might these be tested or confirmed through imaging, spectroscopy, or electrochemical testing? How does this specific doping method compare with traditional or alternative approaches for introducing heteroatoms into hard carbon materials, especially in terms of uniformity, scalability, and functional performance? How is the 0.75 Wt% CMC aqueous solution prepared, and what amount of carboxymethylcellulose CMC is added to what volume of deionized water to achieve this concentration? How long and by what method is the CMC stirred to ensure complete dissolution in the water? After preparing the CMC solution, how much acrylamide AM is added, and what are the specific quantities or weight percentages of N, embis, meth, acrylamide, potassium persulfate, KPS, and tetramethylethylenidiamine, TMETA, introduced into the mixture?